good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very spontaneous and unplanned kind of video because I just got a call from my brother and he has mentioned that today is my nephew's annual sports day competition and I would not want to miss that for any reason. And also I remember very precisely that a year back it was my uni's annual sports day competition. So I'm kind of excited to be a part of his annual sports day competition today, and let's see how the day goes. Let's go cheer for him now, and do watch the video till the end because I'm sure you're gonna relive all of your childhood memories as well. Now I'll go get quickly ready and I'll meet you at the venue. Hi, so just for the extra feels today, I'm gonna wear my uni's sports day wala t-shirt which I've got from them. Of course, it has uska logo and college ka name and of course team ka name. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this right now.
Let's go.
Hi all, so here's an update. I've reached on time and bhai itni zyada garmi hai. I am so surprised that the kids have so much energy in them. I don't know how. मैं होती ना भाई legit मर जाती उसी वक्त उसी ground पर. I would be dead on the spot. But I don't know how they are so energetic. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. But yeah, now we are here. I don't know if I'm audible भी या नहीं, but ठीक है. So I'm back at home now and the program actually went very well. I was very happy seeing my nephew win 3rd place for his sports event. That was like a happy moment for me. Also I was very happy seeing those small kids just run here and there and do random stuff. So cute. Anyways, I have other stuffs to do, like I have to shoot a YouTube video. Not this one, the another one. I have something in my mind, so I have to shoot a YouTube video. I have to go to the law office, of course, and उसके बाद में I also have to go to vegetable vendor to buy घर का सामान, and फिर lastly I also have to go to Reliance Trends to get new formal shoes for me because फिलहाल के जो shoes है वो बहुत ही बेकार हो चुके हैं. These are the stuff that I have to do before the day ends, and let's see how it goes. So guys, तुम्हारा हीरो निकल चुका है अपनी मम्मी के लिए सब्जियां लेने in the worst outfit possible.
ఫ్రీగా ఇచ్చండి కరియాపాకు. ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Hi, so I've got back from vegetable vendor and I've got ready to shoot a YouTube video. This is what I'm wearing for my top. I'm got dressed and I have all my products over here for which I'll be shooting. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that you do not miss this video which I'll be uploading right after I upload this video. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hi, so I'm at the store now and I'm here to get formal shoes as mentioned, and also I'm so sorry I couldn't talk with you office mein, but yeah, it's 9 o'clock already. I have to buy shoes and go home, have dinner as well. Also there's something that I need to tell you guys, so do not skip that part. Okay, bye. I decided to take these shoes, although I wanted the shoes over there, the black ones, but उसमें size नहीं मिला, so I'm going with this one. और कोई option नहीं है, so it's decided. Now let's go home. Hi girlies, I'm back. back, and as you can see, I've just took a shower because it was a very tiring and exhausted day for me. So I was all sweaty, but after taking shower, I feel so comfortable and relaxed. Anyways, now if you remember, I've mentioned at the story that I wanted to tell you guys something. It's not something very major. I basically just wanted to talk about something that has happened to me. And it's very funny and scary at the same moment. So basically what happened was, I traveled through scooty to my office, and मेरे सिटी में फ़िलहाल बहुत सारे मॉस्किटोज है. इट्स लिटरली एवरीवेयर, लाइक हर एक स्ट्रीट लाइट के पास, हर एक गली कॉर्नर के पास, एवरी सिंगल वेयर देयर आर सो मेनी मॉस्किटोज. ओके, सो आई न्यू दैट दिस थिंग वुड हैव हैपेंड विद मी. तो मैंने प्रिकॉशन भी लिया था. दैट इज वेयरिंग अ cap because I didn't have glasses with me उस वक्त, so I just wore a cap. But still what happened was a mosquito directly came and मेरी आँख में चला गया. एक तो रात में भाई इतनी सारी लाइट्स ऑन होती है और मैं हूँ अंधी, एक साथ में इतनी सारी लाइट्स आते तो आई गो वेरी ब्लाइंड. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज हैपनिंग, एंड एट द सेम मोमेंट एक मच्छर आया और एकदम मेरी आँख में चला गया. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद माय स्कूटी. मैं एकदम ऐसे ड्राइव कर रही हूँ एंड भाई वो मच्छर बहुत बड़ा था. सो फॉर मी इट वाज बीइंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट एट दैट मोमेंट कि मैं क्या करूँ. इफ आई शुड स्टॉप बिकॉज पीछे से भी गाड़ी आ रही है, आगे से भी गाड़ी आ रही है, और इफ आई शुड जस्ट मूव इन ईदर ऑफ द डायरेक्शन, आई डिडंट न्यू. सो व्हाट आई डिड इज, मैंने एकदम गाड़ी को स्लो कर दिया एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा देख देकर आँख लिटरली मैंने ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ था एंड मैं साइड में आ गई. And after that I somehow removed it, and also wear lens, so it was very difficult for me to remove from this eye क्योंकि मेरे लेंस को कुछ हो जाता तो फिर मैं तो एकदम अंधी हो जाती उस मोमेंट पर. So I somehow managed to remove it, and उसके बाद में my eyes have become very red and it was all watery at that moment, but still I had to reach somewhere, either घर या either office. So office was closer to me and I have started again traveling to reach my office. And उस वक्त एक तो मेरी आँख से, मेरे को एक आँख से मुझे ऑलमोस्ट दिख नहीं रहा था, ऊपर से सामने से एक बंदा वो लेफ्ट इंडिकेटर दे रहा है और भाई साहब गए राइट साइड में. मुझे उस वक्त उसको देखकर इतनी गालियाँ आ रही थी, एंड एक तो मैं ऑलरेडी इतने गंदे मूड में थी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, एंड और वो भाई साहब पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहा था. आई फील लाइक लड़कियां तो ऐसे ही बदनाम है भाई. मेन तो लड़के हैं, उन्हें गाड़ी चलानी आती नहीं है और हमें ब्लेम कर रहे हो तुम लोग कि लड़कियां ऐसी ड्राइविंग करती है, लड़कियां ऐसी ड्राइव. एक चमाट पड़ेगी तुम लोगों को बिकॉज दीज बॉयज डू नॉट डिजर्व ड्राइविंग. ठीक है, उनका ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस बंद कर देना चाहिए था. इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू रीच द ऑफिस. एक फनी भी है एंड एट द सेम टाइम स्केरी भी है. सो आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू फील एग्जैक्टली. आई हैव रीच्ड ऑफिस. मैं अपने सीनियर के सामने एक आंख से आंसू लेकर जा रही हूँ. माय सीनियर वाज वेरी स्केर्ड. ही इज लाइक क्या हो गया भाई तुझे, आई हैव इवन क्राइंग. So I've conveyed this to him and he's like, yeah, such kind of cases are happening, so just be careful. Yeah. उसके बाद में तो मैं घर आ गई एंड और मैंने अपनी मम्मा को बताया. She's like, तो एडवोकेट है ना, तुझे कुछ करना चाहिए था, उसका ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ले लेती. हाँ क्यों नहीं. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर फाइन एंड सेफ. कुछ हुआ नहीं मेजर. सो या टच वुड. And I know many people would be like, please be careful and all. Yeah, sure. I'll be careful. I'll genuinely be careful. And I'll make sure that आगे से ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं. Anyways. So yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, I love you all. Bye.